Hi, I'm Ocean and this is Liz, and I'd love to take a moment and talk about the Beauty of Belonging retreat that's happening at the end of March. We're going to be moving some moving and grooving. So what is it, Liz?
Yeah. So one of our evening sessions is a groove dance party. We're going to be in the main room that overlooks the ocean, so we'll actually be looking out at beautiful, beautiful space. We get to come together, move together, integrate all the stuff we've been learning through the day, listen to a really sick playlist that's going to have all different genres of music. You don't need to know how to dance, so if you've never been on a groove dance floor with me before, I promise to take good care of you. It'll be 1 to maybe 3 moves for a song, so super, super simple. Just a way to really move organically in your body and feel good. And then we'll send you off to bed with sweet dreams, feeling really good in your body.
Amazing. I can't wait. So come join us, Beauty of Belonging retreat, March 24th to 26th at the Craidelonna Lodge. See you there.